Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. And I have the Ko-Fi Shop Sweet Pea Papers. Now this flip through is of a book or journal that I made for the Ko-Fi members, the silver and gold members, and is not available to the public. However, as you're watching this flip through, you can see that the flip through is. I just wanted to show you what we made in September of 2024, and hopefully you'll come on over and join us. This particular project is called Secret Scribbles, and the whole premise is a secret relationship, and they seem to go to the movies a lot, or the theater. Okay, so here's the cover. The tickets don't come off. I made it so that they were permanent to the cover. This is the spine, and it's the same pretty much as the back. And then of course here we have it tied with linen and a couple of charms. Whoops, I'm sorry, a couple of charms. It's big and it kind of gets right up in the camera when I flip it up. So we're going to open the journal. Now this is 3 signatures, and sometimes even I forget what's in it, so you'll have to bear with me on the flip through. I know that sounds funny, but when you've seen any of my journals, you'll know why. So we move our linen out of the way, and you open the book, and the first page is them going to the theater. And also their secret journals are written with their quill pens. Couldn't fit an ink pen in there. And these are some pictures of their meetings. And there's a charm here that is a heart with a lock. And then there's a second charm that says handmade, in case you couldn't figure it out. This front page opens up into a secondary page, which has this beautiful image, a book page bookmark, or pocket. I'm sorry, I said bookmark. I don't know why. And this card, I've stenciled on the page and I've stenciled on the card. Most of the cards that are any kind of size have been stenciled. So now this is page 2, and this is a flip up. You gotta be careful with those flip ups, sliding the book around. And then this is the bookmark. Sorry, see, I knew there was one in here somewhere in the pocket. This side are 2 envelopes that look like photos or portraits, pictures. And they're held in by acetate belly bands, 2 little ones. My hands are kind of fumbly today. On the next page, this is the large envelope that you see coming out of the book. I'm not sure if I would do that again or not, but I do like it. So this opens. There's a card. There is a card, I promise. It just doesn't want to come out. Okay, well, we'll leave it. It's in an envelope. I'll go back and see. Then this has a writing space. Has some book page. There's a little bit of book page throughout. Because of this being torn out on the image, I used that. This is the tag that came, big giant tab that came with the kit, and I made a big card and I stenciled on it. Nice big skinny card. I don't know why everything is being so difficult today. That card comes in and out easily. And then we have 2 tags that came with the book and a pocket and some writing space. Everything's held in by magnets. Then on this page, you turn the spinner and the double folds down, and you have all this writing area, and it's stenciled. I can't show you the very bottom because I have run out of space. Like I said, it's pretty big. This is side tucks all the way up with a card in each one, and a little pocket in the front with a ticket. There's a card back there. This is a stuffed pocket, and it's stuffed full of all their tickets and receipts from all the places that they've been together. This is a belly band, whoops, with a large card. This is a flip up. I put the little ephemera on there, and the flip up opens to a writing page, and then there's a writing area here. This book is held in by elastics, so you have to kind of move it around a little bit sometimes to kind of free up the center of the page. You just kind of go like that a little bit. This is a little notebook that we made in this pocket. It's got pages in it. This is a fold down, and it has a card in it. This is the last page of the first signature. Here's some pictures from the films and a piece of film that it looks like it holds down the CD cover, and I put a Velcro dot on it, but I made it look like it was stapled. But you lift it up and it's actually all held on by magnets. There's a charm that's a key, and that goes to the heart on the front. And there's a card here that the key's hooked onto, and it opens, and there's 2 writing spaces. I tried to leave a lot of writing space since it was called Secret Scribbles. That way you had a lot of space that you could write in. This is the center signature, and it is a full-on just journaling space. There's 3 sections to it. You just undo the paper clip, the decorative clip, and then there's all this writing space inside. Just straight up writing. Then the third signature is more like the first signature, only it has coffee dye papers in it, along with the regular kit papers and the 65-pound cardstock. So you flip this up, there's a stenciled area, writing area on the top, and the CD opens. It's got a card, and then this image here opens, and there's a belly band with a card and a writing space. And there's a card over here. This is a belly band that you can put a card behind. It also has a sliding image on the front. This pocket has 2 circular cards. Each one has a belly band on the front of it, so you could put a little ticket or something in there if you wanted to. And they're held in by a little clip because this is a gusseted pocket, and as we all know, nothing stays in those. I'm going to quit using them unless I have a whole lot of stuff to stuff in there. Here's a belly band. It says handwritten letter. And reveal your feelings. This is a pocket with 2 large tags. And then it flips down into a writing space. And then this little comb holds a card, and you can move it on its brad. I know it's hard to see because it goes off the camera. This one has a card, a large card, which I really like. I like the images on it. The window's so big you do see the tab. On this side is a belly band with a thin card and some writing area up here. This is the center of the second or the third signature. And then it opens on this side with a tag. This is Velcroed on because it was so thick that the magnet didn't hold. So you've got a card here, and you open it, and you've got a pocket here that's a cutout or a fussy cut of the lady. This one you got to put the card up a little bit. Her little feet get in the way. And then you've got this flip out, and it has a card inside as well. This one's held by a magnet. And it has a big card that matches the first card. And then you have a big writing area. Then on this page, you have a flip up. And then it flips out. And then there's a large card here. There's that writing area here. Let me move this back. So you've got the flip up with the flip out. Then you've got the tuck with the large card. And then a writing area underneath. And writing space on the back of the card. On this side are 2 more of those big tags on coffee dyed paper. This is a little mini envelope held on by an acetate belly band. This is a CD cover with a fan, with a feather on the card. This opens. This opens. And there's a small tuck here. This is the end of the brown envelope where I cut it off. I didn't cut off the blue envelope I found. It was in my stash, and I was so happy to find that big blue envelope that I couldn't stand to cut it off. Then on the last page is an expandable pocket that you can put all kinds of stuff in because it's pretty big. So it goes from here all the way down in the back of the book. And then now you're at the very back of the book. Sorry that I'm talking so low. It's a little bit kind of late at night. I didn't want to bother my neighbors talking in a super loud voice. So once again, the tutorial for this is 15 videos, and the 16th video is this flip through that you're watching right now. Just go over to the Ko-Fi shop. The links are all below, and you could sign up as a silver or a gold member. You could sign up as a bronze member as well, but you can sign up as a silver and gold member and get, usually I do 2 of these a month for the members only. Okay? Alright, well, thank you for hanging out with me and checking out my new journal, and I will see you in the next video series. Thanks. Bye.